Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to easily create an attractive photo design in PowerPoint. PowerPoint is not just for presentation, it's also a great tool for creative photo editing. So let's start the video. Select rectangle shape. Draw the shape on your slide. Duplicate the shape. Reduce the size. Go to Format and change the color. Duplicate it again. Change the size to 0.1 cm and change the color as well. Make 3 or 4 duplicates and set them like this. Select all, shape outline, make it no outline. Select the heart shape, drag it, then align middle. Shape outline, make it no outline. And change the color using the shape fill option. Duplicate 2, adjust them and select both. Go to Merge Shape and select Subtract and adjust this shape here. Reduce the size. Select it and select Edit Point from Edit Shape. Select both. Go to Merge Shape and select Union. Select both again. Go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Click on right button. Go to Format Shape. Select this inner shadow from preset. Now add some pictures. Resize the photo to fit the slide by dragging the corners. Next, let's crop the photo. Select the picture, go to the picture format and click on crop. From the drop down, choose crop and select each image one by one to crop it. And send the whole picture to the background. To make it more attractive, let's add a background. Right click, go to Format Picture and click on Picture or Texture Fill. Increase the transparency of the shape. Finally, add some text such as a quote using the text box tool. Once you are happy with your design, now click on Slideshow and that's it. You have just created an attractive and beautiful photo design using PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Akshrika tutorials for more creative tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.